And many characters. Oh, the fun looks like. And here we go. And here's a tape looks like of Any Given Sunday, and was put on April 22nd. Oh, July 22nd, 2000. Oh yeah.
The question is, have you seen it? Have you heard it? Have you felt it? DVD. It's a movie on a disc the size of a CD. The picture is twice as sharp as VHS. The sound is so incredibly clear, you can hear a pin drop. It looks and sounds like you're at the movies, but you can experience it at home. And let's not forget, you can watch it in widescreen, hear it in different languages, choose from features like director's notes, behind-the-scenes footage, trailers, and more. Even watch a movie right on your computer. And rent or buy thousands of DVD titles available from these great Hollywood studios. And you can pick up a DVD player for under $200. DVD. See it. Hear it. Feel it. DVD. In a world of vicious rivalries and violent betrayals.
Trisha, I can't have you hanging with Jews, boy. What the hell were you doing? We're in the middle of a damn war.
Only one thing is certain.
Sorry, Romeo. I'm taking your most valued asset.
Romeo must die.
That was a mistake.
From the producer of The Matrix, Romeo Must Die. Look for it on video cassette and DVD.
Buenos nachos.
I didn't know you spoke Spanish.
Yeah, I
The Nursery of Varsity Blues.
a bunch of times.
Yeah, red.
Nitro girl of the mall. My dream girl, bro.
To take it
I got
to
your
the
poster
top.
up in my room.
Which one?
It's this one.
Ready to rumble. Look for it on video cassette and DVD.
Don Quixote de la Mancha. That is my name and title.
From Warner Home Video comes the epic tale of an ordinary man who lives in an extraordinary world.
What would you say to a great journey?
The adventure would be grand, even if it was only a figment of his imagination.
Fair Dulcinea, I have chosen you as the lady on whom I might bestow the empire of my heart.
Don Quixote was a visionary who became a hero through the power of his imagination. John Lithgow, Bob Hoskins, Vanessa Williams, and Isabella Rossellini.
How can you think a man as old and tired as you can still be valiant?
Because I can still dream.
Experience the world through the eyes of Don Quixote. Look for it on video cassette from Warner Home Video.
In death, there are no accidents, no coincidences, and no escapes. If cheating death, you have to figure out how it's coming back at you. Final Destination, rated R. I'll see you soon.
Death is coming, so.
In 3000 AD, the cyclospecies will rule the world.
Do the universe a favor. Exterminate a lot of them. Happy hunting!
Get ready
Let it be said that we took this one chance and fought.
to take back the planet.
Piece of cake.
John Travolta,
Nothing
We'll help you.
Battlefield Earth. Look for it on video cassette and DVD.
He's got the drive. He's got the shot. And he's making all the right moves.
How about a little one-on-one? I score, you strip.
But to be the best,
Look, I'm entering the draft. Pro.
he'll have to choose.
So that's it. Just forget about you and me.
Folks play and loving basketball.
Between love and basketball.
Okay, class, news is gossip. What do you think?
People are people. We do what we do, and then we gossip about it.
It started as a school project,
I think we should start a rumor.
but once it spreads,
Her shirt stays on. Somebody sees this. Next thing I heard.
it takes on a life all its own.
Whatever it is that you think I did, I don't know why you think that.
Until someone decides to kill it.
I like gossip. It's fun.
Ever hear a killer rumor?
Gossip. Look for it on video cassette and DVD. On any given Sunday, fans will join together to celebrate their passion for music. Any given Sunday, the soundtrack, featuring so many great artists we can't name them all.
My tongue spin around while I hold my king ridiculous shit. Immaculate evolution, every flow, yo, one more dough. Bang with the best, get the best, all the rest. Should have blessed from the other east to the west. It's a lyrical maze. Typical days go, works in mysterious way. Come on,
Plus, there's Any Given Sunday Volume 2.
sacrifice, don't give up the fight. Everything will be alright on any given Sunday.
Any Given Sunday Volumes 1 and 2. Available on Warner Sunset Atlantic Records.
It's more fun with the other trivia games he's brought home, and I kicked his ass.
Ask me, it was a misunderstanding. When I said play with me, I meant
The Irreverent Quiz Show party game. More like a blast.
exploding on the computer CD-ROMs this fall. You don't know Jack, the Fifth Dementia. Purchase the Fifth Dementia along with a DVD copy of Any Given Sunday, and you'll get a copy of You Don't Know Jack Sports for free. It's sort of like one of those movie popcorn deals, without the popcorn.
This sounds a modified and false of original version. It's been formatted for your screen.